Okay. I'll take a video and send it to Malu.
Hi! You're the lucky one! At home, inside! Don't cry anymore.
Fuck! Oh, Jesus Christ. I wanna die. I wanna die here. Oh, this is the wrong way! Oh my god!
You're not going the wrong way. Look, he's up there.
No, he went that way!
Are you serious?
The other dude came this way.
Fuck! Okay.
Thanks for following.
Okay. I'm holding the phone.
Careful.
Shar. Oh. No,
I can't support you much.
I know, just hold the phone.
Yeah.
Okay. Man. Hold on.
Want to hold it?
No, it's okay.
The right way. Not this way with the... I think I'm going to go this way. Fuck that. Wait, am I going to?
Oh god.
I already feel like I have like too much.
Okay.